Hey everybody, good morning. It is Wednesday, 9:45 news, and that's about it. Dude, when I get money, I'm gonna get a PC, a camera. LOL. Okay, anyway. So the market was extremely bullish yesterday, and we opened up with a pretty fat gap from yesterday to this, or yesterday to last night, whatever. Bias long term is bullish, but I mean, I won't be surprised if price wants to come down and fill this. However, we disrespected this new week opening gap. And we're about to do it on the hourly and the 4 hour. So we might come down, maybe tap this 4 hour and then go. I wouldn't be surprised if we don't tap this new week opening gap and just go higher. Um, and we marked out, I think it was this one. We marked out this daily high, we ran through it. We marked out this one, ran through it. Next one is here. I mean, if we are going to be bullish, we're probably heading towards like maybe these highs and then these highs. But we'll have to see what happens. So, long term, I'm bullish, but I wouldn't be surprised if we, get I don't want to say a quick scalp, but a scalp down to London and Asia low, and then the 4 hour low, or that 4 hour fair value gap. I mean, that's over 100 points too. So, we'll have to wait and see. Because we did disrespect this 15 minutes. So, we'll see what happens. But I'm not really seeing anything to the left. Like an hour or a 4 hour or anything for me to short. Is there a 15 minute? No. So I think longs from down here is the move. So we'll see what happens. We have 9:45 news. Okay, so sure guys, that's it. I'm gonna see you guys when I come back because there's nothing obvious or nothing to really point out. Trying to just analyze price. Alright, we'll see what happens. I'm gonna come back when I see a trade. Alright, chat. I'm in a trade on the combine though. 50% here. I was gonna go break even if we hit that. We kind of, I don't know if you could say we did. Let me see.
Order filled.
All right, I'm gonna cut this only because I don't like how we're delivering. Technically, I think we did hit the 50%, so I should have gone break even anyway. And I mean, look at price action today. Let's talk about it because let me turn the camera on. It is 10:13. Now, technically, guys, I have class at 11:30. Probably gonna skip that bitch. Don't snitch. Don't snitch. Chat, I'm watching Game of Thrones and it's fucking, I'm getting really into it again. I've watched Game of Thrones like 3 times and I'm on this is like my third time rewatching. See, good thing I fucking closed it. I'm on like my third time rewatching it and I'm like, this shit's fucking nuts. Anyway, let's talk about news. We pumped up here because it was rumored to be believed that Trump was gonna cut or pause tariffs for China and something about China and tariffs, and Trump was like pausing them or cutting them in half or some bullshit. I don't know. That's where this move up came from. And then we kind of been fucking around. I actually don't. Did we sweep? What's this candle's high? 44.50. 44.50 is the high. This high is 44.75. Because this is lower, that's implying so that we did. Okay, so we did actually hit it. So I mean, but we are just ranging like a motherfucker here. I'm not gonna be trading on my Express account right now because this in the morning session is unbelievable. So fuck that. I'll probably wait maybe until maybe the PM or maybe just like, well, this macro we didn't do shit. Maybe like the 1050 to 11 whatever macro I'll look. But the combine we could look for a trade whenever. Um, but the reason for taking the long was this 15-minute fair value gap, a 1 minute CISD, and we had this 1 minute this bearish fair value gap here that was supporting or holding price down. It got disrespected, so I entered like right here. And to be fair, I was up about 30 points at one point. Yeah, it was like 700 bucks. But I was going for 1500, which was like around here, because I didn't really see that this wick the daily. Because we also had an SMT as you fucking tell. But anyway, price action is fun. We don't have any more news today. So what the fuck is beige book? The green book and the blue book. Oh, I know what this is. I learned that in macroeconomics. I remember that. The beige book. I remember that. That's kind of funny. I remember that from school. Anyway, so this is what we got right now. I'm gonna come back probably one night. I don't know. The next time I take a trade. All right, guys, just came on here to say that I'm walking away from price right now. Well, I wanted to short over here. Uh, I didn't really. I mean, if I got to zoom in like this to see a fair value gap to short off of, I'm cooling. So, and then we're getting a random. Wait, my math isn't mathing. We're getting a random 90-point candle at 11:01. Like what the fuck? What the fuck are we doing? So I'm walking away, even on the combine. I took a break even trade. I was longing here and I got stopped to break even. Good thing I did. Um, I mean, we're just going back and forth. So, like, today is a day where if I don't take a trade on my Express account, it's okay. Yesterday, I really should have taken a trade, especially in the PM. Not especially, but the PM session was nice. But I'm gonna walk away. Did we disrespect this? No, not yet. Well, I'm going to come on here and say that, like, I mean, look at these wicks. Look at the 15 minutes. Crazy. 5 minutes. Crazy. Hey, we had a 5 minute fair value gap here. When did we tap that? And that big move up. We could have shorted. Anyway, I mean, we're getting crazy wicks. We're not moving. I'm walking away. So I'm going to see you guys, I don't know, later. Hi, everybody. Took a loss on the combine. I honestly don't remember what I took, so not even going to talk about it. Price action, I didn't take anything on my Express account. Um, I don't know. Like I saw this and I was like, all right, fuck this. And I was, I walked away and I came back over here and I saw that we were slowly moving down. I wanted to be bearish. I mean, there was just, I don't know. I didn't short over here, or I probably could have. I think this was also 2 minute. No, is it 3 minute? No, I don't have the time. So it was just kind of this 1 minute. Like if you want, it was actually kind of nice too, because I think we had. Actually, no, we didn't, but um, took out daily high, blah, 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 blah. Broke structure on the 1 minute to the downside. Filled in a 1 minute fair value gap. Like, you could have, right? But then I didn't enter though. I saw this. I was like, 80-point candle. Fuck this. I went, I walked away. And I kind of missed this nice move down right here. Because once I saw this, kind of like price action here with this wick and everything, I'm like, fuck this. And I was doing homework. And I come back and it was like over here. No, it wasn't. I don't know where I came back. I want to say it was like over here. Oh, I came back right here. Came back over here. I entered long and I got stopped out. What time was this? Yeah. That was 1 o'clock. That's why I stopped. Yeah. Anyway, so yeah, like I wasn't at the chart for this kind of nice price action. This was the only kind of clean price action. Was this move down? This is also kind of like a rejection block here. So there's that. But Just a heads up. Now I don't know. Like long term wise, I want to. It's a little tough because I mean we're have this 4 hour and these 1 hours, but we also have a bearish 1 hour. You know, and a bearish 15 minute. However, I do think long term wise we're bullish. But right at this moment, I don't really know what we're gonna do because I mean this is kind of all like balanced, like efficient in the sense of it doesn't it even gaps anywhere and shit like that. So I think we're gonna go higher. So given that, I don't really know a good area to long. There really isn't one. So I don't know if I'm gonna take a trade again today. And it's kind of upsetting me that I'm not taking trades. We're at what? Am I gonna take a trade at all this fucking month? Holy shit. Look at this. Look at this. Um, but I just haven't seen anything that's like, oh my god, let's go. It's crazy, you know? We got a CISD here, bam. We're actually at the CISD. But I mean, there's no imbalance. And I really don't enter just off of, higher time frame fair value than you could have. I mean, 1 hour fair value gap, 15-minute fair value gap, 1 minute CISD. Rising on 30-second, we have a bearish gap. I do take this. Stop playing that bad. Did we disrespect? Dang, we did. I don't want to give this a shot, I think. But see how I'm hesitating? But I mean, what would you target? Like this is against my bias. Long term wise, I think we're bullish. But it's like right now, it sounds like we want to go down. Let's take this on practice.
Order filled.
This is a really bad entry, but it's okay. Anyway, I don't really have much else to talk about. Not gonna lie, we put ourselves a little bit above this high here. Target, I don't know, but my stop is 26 points. Target, maybe like a 2 risk to reward. Some crazy, just some calm shit, I guess. I don't know. But like, there's not like I think I'm gonna only trade my Express accounts, in the not pre-market, but in the AM session, like until like 11 something. Well, this actually wasn't. Nah, it's actually no. I could trade it whenever. I mean, you scale out and see like, okay, all right, here, all right, this is actually kind of nice. I mean, we're moving down. I mean, yeah, here we're kind of moving up. However, we have this bounciness right now, which is kind of like, ugh. So, how many points is that? 26. If this was an actual combine express account trade, I would probably enter with 26 is my start loss, right? 27, what would you say? If I do 5, that is 270. I'll probably do 3, which is $162 of risk. And then you could target a 2R. I don't know, but I'm gonna walk away. If I take another trade, I'll come back on a video and I'll add it. But if you guys don't hear, do I want to get this video uploaded now or later? Kind of doesn't. All right, so yeah, I'll go wait until 4. So if you guys don't see me again, I mean I didn't take the trade and this is the end of the video. Or if you see me again, I took a trade. Hey, it's working. But I mean, it was against my bias. How many points am I up right now? 20. I wouldn't go if we get a 1 minute fair value gap. We could enter. You put my stuff above this. But I don't know. We'll see if I take this trade right here. But I'll see you guys later.